welcome back to Saranya Recipe Box. Hope you all are doing great. And today we're going to make a very simple and easy recipe. It's going to be 2 minutes chocolate mug cake. For that we require only 3 ingredients. It's very simple. So without getting further delay, let's get into the video.
Now I'll be using the bourbon biscuit, which is a cream biscuit. If you are using the normal one, you can add the powdered sugar because it will be having less sugar. I've added 1 pack of bourbon biscuit, which is 20 rupees, and it will give you 1 cup of cake. Now I have made a fine powder out of it. We can add milk. I'll be using half cup of milk. First I'll be adding the 3/4 cup of this measurement, and the remaining we will keep it aside. If we require, and we can add it. Now again I'm going to give 2 or 3 pulses and I will be back. Now this is the required consistency. I will show you. It's thick and it is droppable. It forms the layer also. So this is the required consistency. Now I'm using the normal coffee cup, and you can grease it with oil, butter or ghee. Now transfer the batter to this, and the third ingredient is the choco chips. It's optional. If you want, you can add, otherwise you can leave it. Now place the mug in the center of the micro oven. Now the super easy and quick mug cake is going to get ready. Even the kids can do it by themselves. If you are with leftover biscuit, you can try this recipe. Don't forget to share your feedback in the comment section. Let's open and see. Wow, it's so nice. The chocolate melted over on the top layer looks so tempting. I'll just take 1 spoon and show you how it is. It was very tasty and everybody will love it, and especially kids will love this cake. Do try this recipe and share your feedback. If you like this video, do give a thumbs up and share with your friends and family, and do subscribe Saranya Recipe Box. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.